Email marketing is a powerful tool that businesses use to reach and engage with their target audience. It is a cost-effective and measurable way to promote products and services, build customer loyalty, and drive sales. In this video, we will explore the benefits of email marketing, best practices for creating effective email campaigns, and how to measure the success of your efforts. Benefits of email marketing. Targeted communication. Email marketing allows you to segment your audience and send targeted messages to specific groups based on their interests, behaviors, and purchase history. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing methods such as print, television, and radio advertising, email marketing is much more cost-effective. There are no printing or production costs, and the only cost is the time it takes to create the email and the cost of the email service provider. Measurable results. With email marketing, you can track the success of your campaigns through metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data can then be used to improve future campaigns. Builds relationships. Email marketing allows you to build a relationship with your audience by providing them with valuable content, offers, and information. This can help to increase customer loyalty and repeat business. Best practices for effective email marketing. Segment your audience. Segmenting your audience allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups based on their interests and behaviors. This can lead to higher open rates and more effective campaigns. Personalize your emails. Personalizing your emails with the recipient's name, interests, and purchase history can help to increase engagement and the likelihood of a conversion. Provide valuable content. Your emails should provide valuable information, offers, and content that your audience will find interesting and relevant. This will help to keep them engaged and increase the likelihood of them taking action. Keep your emails short and to the point. People are bombarded with emails every day, so it is important to keep your emails short and to the point. Use clear and concise language, and keep the design simple and clean. Test, and test. Before sending a large email campaign, it is important to test your emails to ensure they look and function as expected. Test different subject lines, email designs, and offers to see what resonates with your audience. Measuring the success of your email marketing efforts. Open rates. Open rates indicate the number of people who have opened your email. A high open rate indicates that your subject line and sender reputation are effective in capturing the recipient's attention. Click-through rates. Click-through rates indicate the number of people who clicked on a link in your email. A high click-through rate indicates that your content is relevant and valuable to your audience. Conversion rates. Conversion rates indicate the number of people who took a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. A high conversion rate indicates that your email campaign was effective in driving results. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool that businesses can use to reach and engage with their target audience. By following best practices and measuring the success of your efforts, you can create effective email campaigns that drive results and build customer loyalty.